Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of June 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Virgo. So let's see what is coming up for Virgo for the month of June. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Virgos, let's see what can you expect coming up for you in the month of June 2021, which has already started. Let's begin. The Sun, Nine of Cups, and the Tower, and the Judgment. Wow. Underneath the deck, we do have the Ten of Cups. It seems like, somebody's something not so positive is going to happen, which is definitely going to disrupt your inner peace for sure. But something good is going to come out of it. Something extraordinary, something beautiful, something that you have asked for, something you have prayed for. But situation that's going to lead you towards what you wanted is not going to be favorable for you. The situation that's going to turn out to be a blessing in disguise is something very troublesome for you. Is going to be something that is going to make you feel like you asked, you prayed for this and you got exactly the opposite, and then that situation is going to bring you the happiness that you were seeking. Maybe you wanted it to manifest for you in a very beautiful way, but then it's manifesting for you but not in an ideal situation, not in an ideal way. You will get what you wanted, but the way you are getting it is something that you did not ask for, is not something that you prayed for. But yes, I do see that you are getting it, but somehow you will be having a disappointment around it as well. Something is gonna end, something beautiful is gonna begin, but that's not bringing you the happiness that you wanted with it. For some of you, you might get married to a person that you really wanted to get married to, but then as soon as you get married to this person, maybe this person is going to go away from you, travel away from you, maybe because of their work, maybe because of scenarios like that. So I do see that you will be getting what you wanted, but you would not be happy with what you asked for and what you are getting for sure. Let's take some more cards around it, because I feel like this is something very ridiculous. Like it's something which is even if you are getting your happiness, it's just gonna become so chaotic. The way it's gonna come true, the way it's gonna get how you wanted it to be, you are going to get it, but at the same time it's not gonna stay the same for you. Why? Let's see more cards. What is happening here in your love life with your specific someone? Because I feel like you're getting something, but for some of you, something chaotic is going to happen. As in, like you are very happy, very very excited for something beautiful to come your way, and then something bad happens, which basically is going to make you feel like everything is finished, everything is done over, and everything is like gone against your desire. something will make you feel as if everything has fallen apart, everything has ended. And that chaotic situation, that negativity that you could feel that time, is going to bring you something positive out of it. Now, for majority of you, something positive is coming from the same person, same situation. Something is going to change, evolve within that circumstances, within that connection with your person, and then something beautiful is going to happen. For very few of you, it might come through a different source. You know, if an ending happens, a new beginning is definitely coming in. But for majority of you, I feel like, you know, the new beginning is coming within the same connection. For very few of you, it might come through another source, like, you know, you might get a new beginning with another person as well. But yes, I do see that there will be some quick changes happening for you in your life in the month of June. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Wow. Arrow, Fire Guardian, ignite your passions. Surround yourself with protective energy. Stargazer, set your sights higher. Don't settle in for less in this time. You know, dream big, you will get it. Dream and journey. Warrior, be fearless and sound strong. Stay positive around whatever it is that is happening in your life right now. You will get what you wanted. You are not alone. Guardian angels are definitely with you. Father Sky, trust in the unknown. Have faith in the unknown. Something beautiful will come out of the situation that you would be dealing with in your life right now in the month of June. Situation might seem completely against you and you would feel like, you know, everything is falling apart, but then comes some blessings. You are lovable. Angel numbers and alignment. You could see some sort of alignment happening for you as well in your life as you start seeing the signs. You will know that something good will come out of the situation eventually. So you would stop getting fearful. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Past life relationship, you have known each other before. For majority of you, you are going to get back to the person that you love, even if there is an ending happening or something that's going to make you feel fearful. It's just like a detour in the same direction basically. So don't get overwhelmed with an ending if that happens. Communication is the key. I feel like, you know, for some of you, the communication might be lacking in the connection in this month as well, which is going to make you feel like, and everything is over, everything is going to get done. Work through your fears. Maybe for some of you, you are getting so extra fearful, which you should not be. Things will come out of you know, nowhere. Things will work out of nowhere. Nothing is yet set in stone. Maybe you are just overthinking. Maybe things are just going out of control for you to deal with, and you're feeling like, oh my god, something bad is happening here in the connection. In actuality, as you let go of your fear, you are going to start seeing signs that everything is happening for a reason and everything is happening the right way forward. Maybe you expected it to happen in the most beautiful way. Maybe the way it's happening might not be as beautiful as you wanted it to be, but eventually it's happening exactly the same. You know, the same thing is happening as you wanted. Let's take more cards. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. For some of you, maybe the situation that will come, that will bring about this change in your life, could not be coming up out of an ideal situation. Maybe if you wanted to marry your person, you wanted them to marry to you, but maybe they could not marry you until unless somebody in their family dies. Why? Because maybe they were the one against the connection as well. So something unpleasant is going to lead to what you wanted. Basically, something unpleasant is definitely happening here in this situation for you that will bring you what you wanted. You might get committed to your person, but the way it's going to happen might not be ideal. Maybe you wanted their family to approve the connection so you could marry them happily, but maybe something not so positive is going to happen in their family. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.